Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to continue our series where I make your ideas, but today's a little different because today is our holiday edition.
Yeah!
Let's get into it. Our first project was submitted by our good old friend Jack in West Virginia, and it is for a turkey-shaped lollipop holder. Because what better way to bring in the holidays than get all the kids hopped up on sugar? Now I can't possibly start this project without first visiting my favorite home improvement store and picking up some inspiration. This project is designed to be made from 3/4 inch thick material, so I'll be using a piece of scrap 3/4 inch plywood. Since two parts of the turkey are what I thought to be half circles, I thought it would be cool to use my compass to trace them out. I found out later that I was mistaken. After all the pieces were traced out, I moved over to the bandsaw to cut them out. After a quick dry assembly, I not only realized my mistake with the half circles, but I also decided that I wanted them to sit on top of the feet. Now these half circles are not perfectly circular, they come in a little bit on the sides, which makes a big difference in the overall look of the finished turkey. So don't make my same mistake and try to be cool and use your little compass. Just trace the original template. While I was at it, I also recut the feet to be long enough so the tail pieces could sit on them. Okay, now that's the look I was going for. After some sanding, I used the template to mark out the spots for the lollipops and used a 3/16 inch bit to drill them out. A quick test fit and we're ready for assembly. Glue would be more than enough for this project, but I wanted to keep it moving, so I added a few pin nails to each piece. Once it was assembled, I spray painted it. Yes, I know turkeys aren't caramel colored, but it's the only brownish type paint that I had, so that's gonna be the color. When it was dry, I used some craft paints to add a few details. Last but certainly not least, I added what may be the most important part, some googly eyes.
Googly eyes?
This little turkey is a quick and fun project and makes a really fun decoration for Thanksgiving. All of Jack's original templates, as well as my rendition and all the modifications, are available for free on our website, so just hit the link below to print off your free copy. Let's hear some thank yous to Jack down in the comments. Now, on to our next project. Our next project was actually a suggestion in the comments about how we can upgrade these trees by using lollipops as decorations. I wonder if they're friends with Jack. Now, I'm not going to go over the full build of this tree because we have a full video that you can go back and watch. I'm going to start right here at this stage and move forward. I grabbed a piece of wood as a backer and clamped the tree to it. Using the same 3/16 inch bit that I used on the turkey, I started drilling holes in the tree, holding the drill at an angle. The number and spacing of the holes is up to you. I touched up the paint, and there we go. That was a pretty quick little upgrade on this project, and if you make the turkey too, you can keep the kids hopped up on sugar for the entire holiday season.
Your idea is not good.
Now on to the next one. Our final project is another submission by Jack for a snowman puzzle. I grabbed a piece of this really old 3/4 inch pine and traced on my design. Hey, that rhymed. I started cutting it out on the scroll saw, but it didn't take long to realize that this old pine was just too tough for my little scroll saw to handle. So I retraced the image on some lighter pine and it cut like butter. I sanded all the pieces, making sure to round all the edges, and then I scorched the hat and scarf pieces and sanded away the heavy charring. Then I painted all the pieces using some craft paints, making sure to rub them on rather than brush them on so the wood grain could still be seen. I used some paint pens to add a few details, and our little holiday themed puzzle is done. This little project makes a great gift. You could even leave it blank or raw wood and gift it with some paints or some markers, and there you go. You're welcome. The template for this is also available for free on our website. Just hit the link below to download your copy. All right, well, there's our projects. Thank you to all of you who contributed, and for any of you that want to participate and see us make one of your ideas, just let us know in the comments below or contact us through Facebook, Instagram, or our website. A big thank you to all our Grove members for all your support. You all get free access to my new Thanksgiving themed gnome designs that are in the fall gnome package. It's available for free on the member site, so make sure to go over there to print off your free copy. I hope you all enjoyed these projects. Make sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.